What's up, everybody? It's Corey here, aka C Midas. Well, Corey back on the C Midas channel. It's been about 2 months since I filmed the last video, and that video was on my TT. But as I told you in that video, I was going to Colorado to work on a project that's been going on for the last 3 years, and I just got back yesterday. So I did come back for Labor Day weekend, just for the weekend, and I was kind of tired and I want to, do some stuff with the family for the time I was back. I test drove the TT, but it was just misfiring, so the head is just bad, so I'm gonna have to get another head for it. So that being said, I'm gonna move to my A6. I already got a lot of parts for it, so I'm gonna work on this in the meantime until I get another head for the TT and get ready for the race against the G35. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put the rims on. You can see I got my Lemans wheels over here. I just cleaned them, so I'm getting ready to put these on, see how they look on the car. And then if I have time, I bought a RS6 honeycomb grill, upper and lower, for this car, and I might put those on if it's not too hard to put the grill on today. It's getting kind of late, so I might just have time to put the wheels on. But if so, what I'll do is I'll continue filming tomorrow with the grills and everything on, so we can see how everything looks all together, and then we'll just go from there. All right, I'm gonna get started. So I just got one of them fitted but not on, because just found out, you can see that space right there, that the center hub is too small on the wheel. Center hub on the car is bigger, so these aren't going to fit unless I get some type of spacer or something with the two different center hub sizes to make them fit. Because I might look into that, because these still have quite a bit of space to go in once they go in, so I would probably need spacers anyway. You can see how they fit right there, almost flush. But if they did fit, they would be going in a little bit, so a spacer might work out. But I might just put these wheels up for sale and get another set of wheels. But man, they would have looked nice. You can see how it makes the car look more sporty already. And then they're a lightweight wheel, but don't fit, so all right, I just got the stock wheel back on. Kind of suck. I was really hoping I can get these on today, but I just took to the forums, and people are saying for me to take the center hub to get bored out on these up to, I think these are 66.5 millimeter, so I would have to have those bored out to 66.5. But like I was saying, if I did that, they wouldn't sit flush with the with this, so they would be kind of pushed in. So what I was thinking was, if someone makes a wheel spacer with different sized inner and outer hubs, then that would work, because the bolt pattern is the same. So I'm gonna look into that, or like I said, if that doesn't work, I might just put these up for sale and get another set of wheels. But anyway, I just brought the other grill out, and I looked online. Most of the time I see people do this, that they take the whole bumper off, but I just looked and you can see the screws go all the way across here. And if you look here, if I put the camera down, my gloves out, let me see if I can. Back here, you can see the screws and I think I can get to all of them with this. So just like that. So I'm gonna try and get this off without taking the bumper off. So y'all bear with me, and I'll try to get this off without taking the bumper off. All right, I'm back. As you can see, I finally got the grill off without taking the bumper off. I see why most people take the bumper off is because there's two screws, one right here and one right here, and they're right behind this bar right here. So what I had to do was I had to like kind of pull this out some so I have space, and then I got this I already had this little short ratchet right here, so there wasn't a lot of space that it would take up. And I came in behind here, behind this fog light grill, and reached in there, and I had the a light up top, of course, and I just took my time and took those two screws out. I mean, and if you're gonna do it like that, you're probably not gonna want to put the two screws back in. I might try to do it anyway, but I'm gonna be switching this bumper out. Actually, I'm really thinking about switching this out for the RS6 bumper pretty soon. So I probably won't put these two screws back because they're so hard to get to, and I'll just put the 6 on the bottom and the 4 on the top. Well, the 6 on the bottom, 6 on the top. So, and well, 5 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the bottom, 6 on the top. Plus, it has these two snapping brackets too, so it'll be secure. So I'm probably not gonna put those back in, so I don't have to take the whole bumper. If I can get to them, I probably will, but I probably won't put those two back. But I have the lower fog light grills, but I got fog lights too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop right now, and it's because it's getting dark, and put everything in tomorrow. So I'm not going to stop the video. I'm going to stop the video now, but this, you know, I'll start filming again tomorrow, and this will be in this video. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys, I'm back. As you can see, I got the grill on. It's the next day. It's Monday. A few things I ran into was when I test fitted it, and I don't know if you remember, this part right here was all silver, and it was just way too much, you know. So I toned it down. I painted it gloss black like the rest of the grill. The other problem I ran into was these fog light grills. They fit and everything, but the fog lights I have don't fit. So I guess that's maybe because this car didn't originally come with fog lights. So what I'm gonna have to do is take the fog lights later, take those grills off, and maybe make a cutout so they'll fit. And I still got to make sure they're the right, you know, distance away from all this and everything. And if it doesn't work out though, I mean, I still got the stock grills that were there, and I could probably just take those and paint them gloss black, maybe with the silver going across it or something, just like that. But it'll just be no fog lights. And what I can do is I could put like a LED strip in it. All right, you guys, I'm back. Finally got the wheels back and got them on the car. I want to give a shout out to my boy Abraham over at 5x112.com. You can also hit him up on Redrill Wheels on OfferUp. He also gets new wheels, but he can re-drill the bolt patterns if you want, open up the center bore. He uses a CNC machine, and he also refinishes wheels too. So he did a real good job on these. They fit like perfect. So I got these back, what, day before yesterday, and then I went and got new tires for them yesterday because I had 255 30s on these and I wanted more sidewall, and I went with 245 35, but looking at the space that I had, I think I probably should have went with 255 35. Probably would have been perfect, maybe even a 40, but I'm gonna lower the car, and then I want to put spacers on it and see where I'm at, because it looks like I could probably get like a 10 or 15 mil spacer on there to kind of get them flush. But I'm gonna see where I'm at when I lower the car, and I'll be able to measure to see how much big of a spacer I'll be able to run. But it looks good to me. Car looks a little bit sportier, so it came out pretty good. On the front, you can see got the grill on, of course, you already saw that, but the bottom fog light grills, they fit, but the fog lights wouldn't fit. So I put the stock ones back on, and I'm thinking about painting them gloss black and maybe putting like a LED strip or something in here somehow, or maybe painting these gloss black and then doing this like a nice metallic silver or something, or maybe still putting the LED strip in there. So I'll probably go that route, or I could put the fog light grills back on and get a aftermarket fog light that'll fit. But I think I like the look of this. One more thing is I got these right here from ECS, and these go right here, and they just give it, you know, a little bit more aggressive look. But they're black, but against the car you can't really tell. But I was thinking about either color matching them or getting these done in the same carbon fiber when my mirrors and wings come. So you'll see that probably in when they get here in a couple weeks. And then I'll probably get the roof wrapped in the same carbon fiber also. So that's about it for now. I think it came out pretty good. Y'all let me know in the comments. I do got the KW height adjustable coilovers. Well, height adjustable spring system. It's not an actual coilover. It kind of turns your stock shocks into a coilover. So I'm gonna be installing those maybe tomorrow. I probably might start tomorrow or this weekend or something with those, and I'll be able to lower the car, and then I'll come back and let you guys see that also. But that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna get ready. I'm actually getting ready to do another install, so I'm gonna be recording another video today, maybe 2 videos today, because I gotta raise the car up, get under it, and there's a few things I want to install while I have it up. So I might do another video today. It's been a while since I posted a video about this car. I think this is the second video about this car. So if you guys go back and look in my channel, you can see the first video that I posted of this, and you can kind of see like what I'm gonna be doing on this car with the parts that I got so far. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. I should have it up soon. Thanks for watching.